Tired of typing the same emails repeatedly? Today, you'll learn how to save time and effort with Liondesk's email templates. First, log into your Liondesk account. Then, navigate to the Campaigns section, usually found in the main navigation bar. Click on it. In the Campaigns section, you should find an option for email templates. Go ahead and click it. Now, you have the template editor in front of you. This is where the magic happens. Click Add Template to begin crafting your email. Customize your email, add a clear subject line and compose your message, including your personalized text or links. Once you are happy with your template, it's time to save it. Look for a Save button, most likely near the top or bottom of the editor. Click it. A window will pop up. Go ahead and give your template a descriptive name. A good name will help you find it again easily later. That's it. Back in the email templates section, you can now see your newly created template. You can also search for email templates in the campaigns to see what templates exist now. Next time you need to send that email, you can easily select your saved template. You've successfully created and saved an email template in Liondesk. Remember to keep your templates up to date for the best client communication. Happy emailing!